Welcome to this Tap Connections video tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to set up your tap device. First, tap your tap card or tap coin with your smartphone. The reader is located in the back of your phone, next to the camera for Apple devices, and in the center for most Android devices. Most modern smartphones come with the reader activated by default. However, for iPhones before Generation 10 and some Android devices, the reader could be off. To turn it on, just go to your settings and search for NFC. Then turn this setting on. Once your smartphone reads your tap device, a link will pop up on the screen. Tap on the link and you will be redirected automatically to the Tap portal to create your account. First, tap on the Create New Profile button if this is your first time using Tap. There is a second option if you want to link a new Tap device to your already existing Tap profile that we'll review in another video. Once you hit the Create New Profile button, you will be able to create a new account by selecting a username and password. Your username will be your email address. That way you can recover your password easily if needed. You will need to agree to the terms and conditions to be able to sign up. Here is where the fun begins. You have the freedom to add any information you want to share to your profile. Start with your basic info, name, company, job title, add a profile photo, and more. Here you can also personalize how your profile looks. Just select a light or dark theme and an accent color. Once you are done with your bio, click on the Save button to update your basic information. On the second half of your profile, you can add additional details like contact information, links to your social media, professional profiles, and music and payment platforms. We call these Smart Links. Remember, all the information is optional. With Tap, you only share what you want to share. To add a smart link, just tap on the icon and you'll be automatically redirected. Now simply type the information that corresponds to that smart link. For example, add your phone number if you selected the phone link or your Instagram handle if you selected the Instagram link. Once you are done, simply hit the Save button. You'll see a confirmation message and then go back to your profile automatically. You can add up to 3 of each to your profile in case you have more than one phone number, email, or any other. Notice that once you add a smart link, a green circle with a check mark will appear next to that icon. Now just keep building your Tap profile, and once you are done, just tap the Logout button. You can check how your profile is looking at any time by tapping the View Card button at the end of the screen. If you have any questions, make sure to check all our other video tutorials or contact us directly. Both options are available on our website tapconnections.net. Thank you for watching, and remember, Tap is all you need. Tap Connections. Networking elevated.